This is hands down the best under-screen hidden storage box you can find for the Tesla Model Y Juniper. Premium design, practical features, and a perfect fit for your interior. This storage cubby is custom designed for the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. It is made with high-quality acrylic for durability and long-lasting use. The product features a damped mechanism, allowing it to open slowly and quietly with a simple press. Unlike magnetic or clip-on boxes that rattle or shift over time, this one uses a bolt-fit installation. That means it stays firmly in place with zero noise, even on bumpy roads. All contact points with your vehicle are protected by soft silicone pads to prevent scratches or damage. Inside, you'll find a high-quality anti-slip silicone mat that keeps your items from sliding or making noise while driving. Whether it's your phone, keys, or cards, everything stays in place silently. Before installation, make sure to apply the included foam pads to the designated areas on the back. This ensures a snug and stable fit without harming the interior. Once the foam is applied, simply align the storage box under the screen and secure it using the included bolts. No glue, no tools, no damage, just a clean, stable install. After installation, the storage compartment blends seamlessly into the dashboard. Opening and closing is silent, and it will not interfere with wireless charging or any center screen features. You can choose between black or white anti-slip mats when placing your order to match your interior's style. Removing the box is just as easy. Unscrew the bolts, and it comes right off without leaving a trace. Want to upgrade your Model Y Juniper with smart, hidden storage? Click the link in the description to order yours now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got more Model Y Juniper accessories coming your way.